I say me too many and for before.
Okay. Into a futu for Kwaku Manu, Wabekasa. I was a Kwaku Manu, Abedun Comafa. I saw from them conscious about wake up a year bueno, almost sham come found Ghana's offer sham come found. Kwaku Manu says off for Mamma. No mean too mufo. Kwaku Manu, Abe two Ghana's off wonderful. Telvin Sowah more, Prophet Clement more, Prophet. Adom Kyei Duah mo obi a wo hye nkom efa wake up no Kwaku Manu abetu asofo nyina fo we want to mu no akere wadwe e de amame e wo comment section I PENYAH block media mesra say ni dey mu o be like video no that my subscribe button somebody click notification connected update number to the wadwe de amame e wo comment section o ba so no she for say any very make am phone nala money send up and de amount wo USA wo UK o pese sika ediko fie koma eja eba ena unua bi odofo bi e bia wo send sika kwa komo bi da bibi amount e wo Ghana na for say using promo code PENYAH TV ever since ka ekofie na ombe chew $20 for free. Let's go to the story. Ebusia on himself if I World Cup 26 edition air course na Ghana so won bi na now they qualify air round of 32 anyam ya no Saturday anyam ya Saturday dia ni no ana ye ne Colombia air code siakan e wo Kansas City Stadium US Montana so e ho ana ye kwakobo ye next game against Colombia. Now no before say game no kra ba start kra no now come share bebre na ba Telvin Sowah ebe kan bi e ma Telvin Sowah say the conditions eto ho I say be more videos ebe tire mu just a Ghana bo game bia na Telvin Sowah say the come share for eba just na the videos dey abe bebre on the internet mas e ma ebi mu kire say o person ten nsem na sia just onya abotire e ko fa the videos ni na was start year from December 2025 ahead of this World Cup no or yeah just onya abotire ko boabo na videos ni nyina no tenase tie ni nyina ansa na wate nase enya say dem so hwe video ba ko pa won tenase it is ade don't based on the video ba ko pa enfan kasa the followers e kan say hwe the video ba ko pa say was waka say 100010 and Ghana we are coming home almost say fair no nkwan kasa nya abotire ke kan videos ni nyina bom na hwe ni nyina si ansa na wate ase na no sa na ni onu so nya abotire ena onya omanyame yi kire ni nyina yiye ena obeka ba akopa engam waye enti gisa fena ya fa kan tell ka kire so a ekwa gada ni videos nyina bom ebe hwa asa na ate ase sesei na no sa no ko nya abotire si nyame nyi kire ni yiye a ena onya abotire nyame yi kire ni yiye ena obeka ba akopa engam waye Nonsense, Emma Prophet Clement as we can be Emma at the end of the day, no, because I Ghana you qualify from the group stage. I say
also people are getting sensitive.
Yeah.
You know that for Ghana and football, people are very sensitive about it. So people are saying that Charlie, this one they also for this one they will qualify.
Okay. I mean we are here, we'll see.
You are threatening Ghana.
I'm not threatening. I'm not threatening Ghana.
You are threatening the whole country.
Many have said.
You are using our passion and our energy.
Nobody loves Ghana than me.
I know that.
I can say.
You
know, a man came from the US last week and said,
yes,
no prophet in Ghana. He has been watching me at YouTube at the US for about 5 years now. He said he has seen me hold the Ghana flag on my altar more than any pastor has done.
When you went to Prophet Ubet Angel, senior prophet, your dress and everything depicted, I am from Ghana.
Chose that one.
Yes.
To honor Ghana. Nobody loves Ghana than me in this nation. I'm telling you. No prophet loves Ghana. Some of them
and still won't qualify won't go from the group stages.
The things that were supposed to be done were not done. So because of that, per where I sit, I'm not seeing them doing well.
You are not seeing us go beyond the group stages. That's what I want you to say.
Yes.
Odifo.
That's it. But now you qualify. Emma, Adom Kyei Duah say we can be. I say we can play. You quite kwaje.
World Cup professional by year baby. 2028.
2030. Yes, sir. 2030.
Monte.
Nebuatwe.
Ghana.
Sama
kachira mosai.
Baby kanya ke.
Akonyano.
Say.
Ghana na abesi.
Yes. Ghana bama.
Monte.
Nyabuatwe. Say ya no kasa.
Nyamenkaye nyina.
Say ya no kasa. No fair boy.
Ya fanto.
Nya waka fuanshi.
Na mesre.
Se makpa fai.
Mesre.
Makpa fai.
Adom nyame.
Dolo nyumbo.
Ne bribia ya die obi ehunu beda.
Eno fe no kwaji no ni boko na ko pen.
Die ebin se da.
No ni ekoba.
But only the nyamo wie 100 income and that switch na ko se ye beje 2026 we no. You be say 2030 aka ho because we say akonya no abesi Ghana. Wake up akonya no abesi Ghana nti ye gi this year. Asa gi next year. I say next on no come the that switch na. Boni bia ma ho say ye ne Colombia kobo knockout say omuye film there say ho na no the commission asema ba ho but now no that I speak to you now no there prophet Adom Kyei Duah commission there boni bia eni ho asem bia enya ma ho but ye ne Croatia kwa kobo no e no be ka say Croatia enye team a omo hye Ghana na omo say team Ghana e be bo draw but I say next mean say Ghana ko hye Croatia but no ana bi mu chese ne ye commission e wo hye ye ana ama mitina nkwa no opambo e be ka na wen kire ne kakra e ma a whole lot of issue e ba ye e ma no commission na Telvin Sowah Clement in the media no say in fact amount for abe criticize in pay ye
by now I saw for can explanation boom by now catalyst can explanation boom by now catalyst ahodo asofo ahodo atrodifoɔ atrodifoɔ kwasiampafo can nchirichiri mu boom ɔkyena wo bekyirikyiri and Nyankopɔn hwɛ ye ne yebom pa e no hu sese de ade na ye no na mutiru so no mapampa so. I don't blame you guys. I blame on my amabeto mu a monya citizens a o madwene keten etisa akokɔ mawure ana bibia nyame se ana monya ka nyame se o mo so mfa critical thinking to ho o mo so mfa adwene to ho na o mo so di akiri sa so masisi mete ya ese Adom Kyei Duah se abrantie bi nso aba catalyst ono so sole a mema na no so kekeka bi se hunu sa tournament na ekoso no hwan na nyame nko support no na onja ahwan. I don't blame you guys. I don't blame me blame o man mo be pie mu a leadership nim say o ye straight wo mo so a pressure beba no so nti wo jam na mo citizens adwene di agro na mo destroy homes all in the name of nyame say concept so-called men of God adwuma ni o man ni muti Ibrahim Traore we bokena religious structure we dey ato form a we dey agu akwan wo no Muslim Ibrahim Traore we Muslim enso kohwe na no Islam boys bi so o say mo form ko military mo train o mo na mo matade hye wa bodama ya meye Islam asem wa ha say ya chechire man the nation first nye religion asem mo gu kroma na mo dey amanfo adwene di agro nyame yi kire me no nyame se tournament ayeko yi tournament boy mo start boy e dey pa na blaster abo a e indicate say obetima duru even round 16 and so obetima duru baby Putin ye na Panama antimi enya goal and am dey lucky enya victory against Panama and am be pack bus against England be boy chire 10 if you won boy chire 10 if you won e dey nya draw against England na me fa makoma na me ko support say bunu we na ochena we dey warm up we enyumle me dey mama to football ochena e be shira go pramano so why nyame se fo na compile mu videos ni nyina gu ochena me ne mu be shira go pramano so nature analysis circumstances time will keep on exposing you all nyakopo bian so ma mo fa hwinja mo mu didi mo danka sa fufo riri mo ko container no mo wines be gina puppet so fa microphone kuta mo nim citizens ana mo church members na dwene ketinketinti na mo de o ma dwene ti agora mo kan se bunu predict lotto forecasters actually go doga.
So today I'm going to talk about Ghana and I'm going to expose the fake prophet in Ghana, right? I think I've said it before that this World Cup is going to expose these people who are so-called African prophets, right? Prophets, so-called prophets. So there is this guy in Ghana who gave a prophecy that Ghana was going to win against England.
England national team. Jesus. I said we will colonize England. Amen. We will colonize them.
And so my father.
We are going to number 4 there. We are Bonsi Obia is the one that gave us the goal. Wow. Just say, oh, I said,
but we all know that that did not happen. It was a draw, right? So the guy came back and said, no. I gave a previous prophecy.
There's 3 matches, 1-0, 0-0, 1-0. Very simple business. We've added 1 match to it. We'll colonize England. That's my main aim. First match 1-0, second match draw, third one 1-0.
I said Ghana was going to play in 3 matches, and he gave correct scores. Like the first match he said 1-0, the second match 0-0, then the last match Ghana is going to win 1-0 against Croatia. So 1-0, 0-0, 1-0 the last match. So Ghana was supposed to win 2 games, right? But from yesterday we know that did not happen, right? Ghana lost 2-1. So this should be an easy one, right? This guy is a fake prophet. It's obvious, just common sense. But there are some people who are going to follow this guy saying, oh, God sent him, this guy's got magical powers, blah blah blah. I've said it before. No one can see the future. No one can predict or see the future with precision. I actually got it right yesterday. I placed a bet, and I actually got it right. But I'm not a prophet. I don't call myself prophet, right? So this should be an easy one. This is the easiest it will be, to expose this guy. I love exposing these guys who are so-called prophets.
Ama Abraham be Moshe abe classe no.
Football a game of chance. Enye nyankopon enoyi bibia catalyst bi ani football mu. Tie.
First match 1-0, second match draw, third one 1-0. Then reduce it to the goals now. It's just 1-1 goal will come.
No, just say you be few. Any. Or no, just say Ghana cry and share 1 goal cry. Any. Tie.
you won't even, the matches are just 3. In this pattern of time, it's just 3.
Or see you what 3 matches in the World Cup. Yeah?
Each match from now, 1-0, 0-0, 1-0, we are back.
And you know what no? Okay. Yeah? Asia.
1-0, 0-0, 1-0, we are back.
Okay.
In the World Cup, 3 matches.
We are back. Or see you what 3 matches in your befie. 1-0, 0-0, 1-0. Let's say Ghana first match, you be lose 1-0. Your second match, you be go 0-0. Your third match, you lose 1-0. Now you be fear, and now walk no. That baby, when you need to time small boy, we be just no temper with the time. Mom get the mind Ghana done it. Kwaku Manu is better than Mr. Catalyst.
This we are done. Yeah, the list, we were just there, we were number 3. Then we dropped last. Yeah, the last time until we came back home.
Well, also near the number 3. Now you be that last year, you be fear. Ghana that last. You be fear. You qualify. Mu gunyanku pani mu as say Christianity the other name. Where you Christianity? Where you Christonia? You have to be ashamed of pastors like this. Me brother me fighting for Christianity. Mama and more we never grant Christianity. Where you Christosum? Where you Christosumeni? Christosumeni. Anamu ni menyansa. Dia Yesu di jamu neni. And they preaching kuna wahi. Huh? Dia Yesu di jamu ni. Football come say.
Yes, and we could even score 1 goal. Kudos company.
But say Ghana won't score even 1 goal. Yeah.
We were just there. We were number 3. Then we dropped last. Yeah, the last time until we came back home. Yes, and we could even score 1 goal. Kudos.
I say World Cup and Ghana, you share 1 goal, 1 goal. Because team in a corner, Obi Asha, na ye need to deal with team into Jimmy say ya. They capitalize on your problem and give you prophecy according to your problem. Oh, your young girl, now warfare, now ba solid, no more shall wonsa, na kawan shall wonsa pe, no more say promise and fail, brabo, na mema da ampa. Young girl, you basis one and warfare. Ah, when you be 25, 26, I can one shine and sano, and member be pinedy. No, dear be too. Debbie America, Bibini be did the aju of Renyame, Bibini be too quite aju of Renyame, or Kobo Kekeso of Renyame, ye betuaba or befrenyame, or Koware or befrenyame. I've been in the trim. Ah, Nanko Ponkra, or my Bibini, I'm going to class on Fenyade. Oh. And yes, I can Nanko Pon, or Hanu, Eddie Abgene, to Bibini trim. Nyamia bowe wama wadwene wabori ase ni panyina agro kakra mu kwa kodi wonko age nyankopon temper with the time na wu kokowini no mo ba no mo nyinipa Bo kakra agro wi signal kwa akodi keke no. Ghana e pese Nyankopon e free soro. Na Nyankopon e beka 11 players na ho. Na ye 12. Na Nyankopon bobo ni bi ma Ghana. Na ye wi ni ye de cap ni be fie. Aboa. Omo eni omo ko bobo no enye Nyankopon na bowo. Football a game of chance. Agro kakra ye kodi. Bibini afre Nyankopon se Nyankopon free ne ko nwa so wosoro. Na Nyankopon be hye no maten jesi ma no. Na Nyankopon bobi. Bo kakra wo kobwe. Agesa wo wura sunsum wiase. Temper with the time. Meaning the nyame ahyehye no kwasiato no da wo no. Ono the nyame ahyehye no. Ono tumi wura sunsum wiase. Na wo chinchim Nyankopon de no wasesa no. Se munnimu nyansa mudama akwada ketwa osukwa no mawe. Ti we Nyankopon na we twa atoro na ase wan na twa ndoro no. Me bisa ye po bi okon ama Nyankopon a eye me. Enkwasiade no mo de Nyankopon din eye no. Ene yesi omunyai. Nipa baako Nyankopon yi niema baako be ye 300. Bo baako aga na akobo. Akoye oda so se friend catalyst. Nyankopon yi niema baako be ye 300. Anopa na asesa awia na asesa nti bibisa mo Croatia fo no obo temper with timeline obi antro Croatia tempered with timeline kan obi antro enti we na Ghana elusu 2-1 no eye Croatia fo and the temper with timeline wo de wo Jimmy small boy a waba wo hye nkom wa sole wenya members kakra wa sole ni begu se wa Jimmy a bisa so fo mpanyimfo no wonim na wan hwem no anya ministry na wo be ye fire wo jankwa siade no e na ma kire wa predict wani monyam na eba fom no say catalyst kwa siade sia na mugu kuro we mu na ye maame ne ye sister sisu gu aso dem ho small boy be ko no friend papa say 100010 utiri so 1000 wudi o tra mi hu say wan ko interview bi a wo sesa wan wo be hu Uzala nkwa siade asa de Ghana fo adwene be di agrosa we fire anka na so dem ho abo mase pe
enipa bebrebe na no ana be crash prophet Telvin Sowah e mo no so e the explanation aba obe chin so no on the members etel no nkomhye nase eti nkomhye ba how the members esi hu no e different from one won corner so ni bi eti no say nkomhye ba you no nya wo dia stay away enya wo dia and wasaka say nkomhye it is not for betting enya betting tina ode nkomhye ba etina bia because on person obenya accurate 10 na kwa kotwa betting tina ne asem no obedane no so that the actual 10 na kwa kotwa bet wase na say on so the enchiremu eba na eye nice na say the government was bebrebe aba media no so yeduturu sira ne abasa obi a eka ne de no eno ana Kwaku Manu wa hedi no so the bigger na ya doso no say asofo no eni die mu a kamen simple fata se me sanu me mpabo ahoma kambes ma betum mo but mesire mo de ekono munyai football nkom hye na mo hye no Kwaku abekasa
Pese mitumi yanuma sofo before.
okay
Ebi ananka me deserve se bia me metime etu onfo. But efutu. Efa free nyansane nchen. Efa bitimi free wojimi fo nchen.
yes
Efa bi free bodam fo nchen. Etimi fa futu okura free convincing ana jonki nchen. Nese futu yempo. Enti euro otumfo kan asem bi wo so wo hene pon. Na de ohu se obi a wo ba no wa bodam kura no so opese wo ka bibi kire wa. Euro otumfo ne ka asem no. Na abotre na ede niti. Se kombe tie me a. Se wo ye sofo na nyame nsa wo so pa na ompese obi abeka se tie awro fofa. Eba football ho a wo pa memfa nkom shema. Se wo ye sofo pa na se wo tie me. Na pese umu koswa yedu na umu like nipa koswa respect wa opatwe hu free enkom share ye ball
yes
na ball enka no kore kovi me believe Nyankopon e believe nyame adifo e believe nkom hye
yes
ba wodi agoro a yebetuma hye nkom ato so ba nipa betuma adane no
okay
yes ya wonkofo bebre nyame hye da nyame ankasa na ka chom se wo be ye hene wo be yesi ba wodi agoro Kofi si yamfa Yesu anwane amfiri enwabuo ni mu a nka nipa kokun no anko a nka nipa wo hene kokun wo mo e ma nkofo kokun wo mo aye nkofo bebre o ma ye hye o mo nkom se daachi mo beese ba nkom hye na chiese ka wano tum because ko kama nipa te nipa betimi asesa wo hyebere ye pause obi yese daachi oba be ye wo hene poison wa yakunu obi kwa besi akonyo no so anu wuye ana boys no asofo that is ya maame o mo ya asofo ne ya papa no mo ya asofo hwe ma bet kuranti obi kotwa na amemu a said oba be di wo sofo natem obeka se wo kura nyame kura mfrew obegina wonu mu asem so no di kotwa bet no so se e be draw ana o se wo se 1-0 ana o free na koma mu kotwa 1-0 ebia na no kura se de wo hu ye no sa na netio ba park ne so bibi tibisi players na kase na omo bobo no bebre no kura no o gidi a ono no wo a wo di gina bo onim ye wo do ye wo court do eliminate so wan do akobo so so akoje akwankyere a waye obi no wadwene nyepe wo nyankopon na wo so no me pa de covid make mu da ho bo e game we match we no an ne players na kaso mu fili so be win sa match we me sana me hu no Ghana for ankasa players ni team na ankasa no ya we nkomo mo adi no kokoam se match we may win it is a soft begina we hu hye nkomo a boys be disappoint o nyame na aka akire wo but ni pass sana oh Kofi bet me busa question manager
say nyame na aka say nyame asem de ka final aka can find the boys in the bayo and I find omodisi because na hope onim say e bia omodisi de kura na say na besi akọ
okay nyame no wonim pass Yesu baba ye ohene wasase wesu so amanya anko wo no nuabom anya ne hia ni a eduma bi ko oka nyame sem kura ye koka che Yesu say omanfo friend wo hene kwa Pilato de no ye wa ne bu ansate yemfu ati Yesu ye wu Yesu kura de ne tetei ye de ne fire mfikire Yesu start ya wonyini kwa no wan hyeda ante no ho asem Bible mu enti no wo he data yedini kusie Kofi ye won komhye bo ma ya shato nkofo abra aboso asem o mekasa kire badwemba nyame na aka obi okwa wotumi de ne bucket wa otumi kwa sore de na nyame afa sofo no so aka kire ne se oba we ne ba be ye busuaniti oyese but udi agwa akwa no batima ba ye donki enkom sha bawo banam se yakopie nkomhye no so amani party se yese akro no ba be ye we no die ntina nyankopon de David sie
okay
say David nyanum nya no nka ho enwuram na no wote eno no hwe nwan etu ka se nkomhye ba se sa akro no ba be kum go right na wanya nimonyam wo yanka ne nwan kwa so na ntia no
yes
die na tu David Joseph ni nyam na ton me boa Taman
obeyi ni diet
chirei
obedu kwan papa busa say 8 mi am so me kwato afaro
obi nanu nyam kwanya kombe kunu nyame na hu ni mobo se baabi a no mo ton no ho na ni nhyira no kopagyae etu di agro nipa betima asese nyame hyebere hwe nyame na aka ho but entina we sofo kura ne nsebu o ma yenka no obedwom
okay
ye disie enu ti obi timi ka che na damfo se wo obetu kwan ne saka visa ne ya poison se na damfo ne te se ni nwa na nya visa no ko timi poison na damfo na nya ko timi poison nyame na aka sa ha wuntimi nye ye wo Ghana ye wa brofo bebre o mo ye business wa broche mfa but oba Ghana Africa obayi
chida wa adwen mame e wo comment section hi PENYAH Media Accra